Friends, today we are heading back to the early 1930s to take a closer look at a truly rare machine from the roads of the past, the 1934 Goliath Atlas. This compact cab over engine truck was built in Bremen, Germany, between 1932 and 1935. Also sold under the name Hansa-Lloyd Atlas, it became an important chapter in the history of light German commercial vehicles. The Goliath Atlas was designed to carry loads up to 1 metric ton and came equipped with a closed driver's cabin, something not so common at the time. But the most interesting part? Just like the legendary Isetta that came decades later, it only had a single front door for cabin access. Because of the fixed steering column and a hinge on the left, the passenger had to exit first every time. Under the hood was a 594 cubic centimeter engine with a cylinder bore of 69 millimeters and a stroke of 80 millimeters. It delivered 14 horsepower at 2,500 revolutions per minute. Modest by today's standards, but more than enough for stable driving in the 1930s. Its top speed was 64 kilometers per hour. The wheelbase measured 310 millimeters, with a front track of 110 millimeters and rear track of 1,275 millimeters. The turning radius was a full 12 meters, making tight maneuvering a bit of a challenge. Still, for its size and era, the Atlas was a clever piece of engineering. The original price was 2,450 Reichsmarks, and despite its limited capabilities, it was a practical and affordable solution. German reliability and function in its purest form. No frills, just purpose. If you enjoy forgotten legends of automotive history, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that button like it owes you gas money. Here, we dive into the weirdest and most fascinating corners of the automotive world. See you in the next episode.